But let's talk about Biocon now, and the fact that the company yesterday filed the DRHP for the listing of its research arm Syngene, and the management told us that the listing will take place in the month of July. Surya Narayan Patra of PhillipCapital joins us now to talk about that. Surya Narayan, thanks for joining us. How would you react to this news, and what do you think the valuations of Syngene could be? The management told us that it would be higher than what it was valued at the last time around. What are your own indications?
Yeah, I certainly believe that this could really unlock value for shareholders. But the Syngene business, what we have been seeing is it has been maintaining a steady progress of around 20% on the revenue as well as the profitability front, and we believe that it would still maintain the similar kind of growth rate over next 2 years. Okay. And assigning something like around 20 kind of valuation multiple to its FY17 estimated EPS, we value Syngene at 240 odd rupees. That means Syngene would be valued somewhere like 4,800 odd crores kind of value as per our estimate. Okay. In fact, we have compared Syngene with Syngene is the largest CRO out of India and the second largest out of Asia, and we have compared its operational performances parameters with the largest Asian CRO company, that is UC Pharmatech. Based on that, we have seen that though UC is almost 5 times larger than Syngene, but the return ratios, if you compare, Syngene is much superior compared to that of UC. So I think though we have maintained the same valuation multiple of 20x to its FY17 estimated valuation earnings, and valued the company at 240 odd rupees per share, but I think there still could be some sort of a potential upside from that level also.
Oh, that's great to hear for a Biocon shareholder, I would assume, because I think the previous time with the 10% stake in Syngene got sold, it was 3,800 crores.
Correct.
So a good 20% coming in already, or even more coming in already. So how would you value the Biocon stock itself?
Yeah, see, in fact, the ex-Syngene, what are the businesses that would be there in Biocon? If you see, then it is the insulin, immunosuppressant, statins, branded formulation business, and other API business will be there. As of now, this remaining portion accounts around 20. It accounts around 73% kind of a top line with around 60% kind of a bottom line.
Okay.
I think led by this biosimilar opportunities, it will see a kind of a very good healthy value growth in subsequent period. We are estimating around 14% kind of revenue growth over next 2-year period, whereas the earnings will grow at 22% for remaining Biocon's operation. And in this also we have not really factored the potential opportunities flowing from its biosimilar opportunities in emerging as well as advanced market.
So the that price would be?
Yeah, so price would be, we are valuing the base business, the continuing business of the Syngene at 322, applying 18 multiple to its FY710 EPS. And post this issue, Biocon will have 75%, near about 75% stake in Syngene.
Okay.
The value of that would be something like 178 rupees.
Okay.
But since it would be a kind of holding company, we are giving a kind of a 20% discount to holding company value. So that gives me something like 143 rupees. And in this offer, Biocon will be generating cash of something like near about 500 odd crores. So that is something like 26 rupees per share. Okay. So all this put together, that gives me something like 491 rupees kind of price for Biocon's remaining business.
Okay.
Which is currently 455, that is.
Sure. So there is further upside to the Biocon stock. You did mention that Biocon ex-Syngene could grow at 14% revenue and 22% earnings. But what about the Syngene business itself, the CRAMS business that is, which comprises of Syngene, and what kind of a growth do you expect in revenues and earnings?
See, I believe certainly it would maintain the growth momentum of 20% both on the top line as well as bottom line for next possibly 2 to 3 year period.
Okay.
And see, they are expanding capacity and there are manufacturing opportunities flowing on their way for innovative molecules. That's a possibly there would be a kind of upside from that, but we certainly see 20% kind of growth both on the revenue as well as profit front for Syngene.
All right. Thank you very much, Surya Narayan, for laying out all those numbers for us. A little more upside expected in Biocon itself.